What's the meaning of ally-mcbeal? Ally-mcbeal. 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 Ally-mcbeal.
Ally-McBeal is an American television series that aired from 1997 to 2002. The show centers around the life of a young lawyer named Ally McBeal and her personal and professional struggles in a Boston law firm. The show was known for its quirky and whimsical tone and for tackling issues such as gender roles, relationships, and societal expectations. Ally McBeal was highly influential in pop culture, popularizing the use of the term unisex and inspiring many other shows to feature strong female leads.